Hi, it's Jade. Today I'm going to make savory egg pudding. It's one of those comfort foods that you can never get bored of. Making a perfect egg pudding isn't that easy. There are a few tips that you need to know. Let's get started.
Crack 4 eggs into a bowl. The ratio of egg to water is 4 half eggshells of water to each egg. Today I'm using 4 eggs, which means we need 16 half eggshells of water. Now beat the eggs. Add salt. Strain the egg mixture using a sieve to get a smooth and silky texture. Clean off the bubbles with a spoon to get a smooth surface. Set up a rack with water in a pot. Then place the egg mixture on the rack. Cover the dish with a plate to avoid water from the lid of the steamer falling onto the dish during steaming. Bring the water to a boil over high heat. Once it's boiled, turn the heat to medium, then steam for 12 minutes. It's done! Drizzle some soy sauce over the dish before serving. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye!